beneath the palm trees, you can leave your worries. Listen to the
Alright guys, so we back with Gamay or Gamay hair. Don't know how to pronounce it, but today we definitely have a bob wig. Okay, so yeah, super excited about this wig because y'all, it really surpassed my expectations. Okay, it really did. So I was showing you guys what came in the packaging, and this is the pamphlet, and there are other wigs that they had to offer. I'm actually trying to cop the whole line, so I'm just kidding. But yeah, today's wig, we do have the Brazilian straight bob hair wig. The inches on this unit is 8 and the density is 150%. I'm not sure why I didn't show you guys the construction, but it definitely is pre-plucked, and we're going to get into the next clip. But I believe I don't know, check the description section below because I forgot to show the inside of the wig, but I know it has a drawstring. I do know that. So the moment this company, come on now, we need to give a round of applause. I'm gonna show you guys why. Come on up, baby, come on. There we go. Y'all see that lace is freaking laid. I love pre-plucked units like this. This is giving me scalp vibes. Like, I don't even have to go in and do anything because sis, they did that for you. And y'all already know how I feel about laces that come pre-plucked, and I'm like, other companies need to take notes because that is how a pre-plucked unit is supposed to look. I'm just saying. So yeah, I'm going in and giving this wig some color. Like today, like I said, this is for all my ladies who love bobs. It's the summertime, and we got time to wear all them inches. So we're gonna give her some color because it is summer and we want her looking youthful. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Wella bleach of my 40 developer and go ahead and bleach it. I'm just doing a section of it because I just want a pop of color. Nothing too much, nothing too heavy, but still cute, sis. Okay, so we're doing that, and we're gonna let it sit, and we're gonna rinse it out. And this is what it looks like. I do have the back all pinned up because it's wet. I only blow dried the front because, like, sis, I need to put the color on it. I don't want to put it on wet because I don't want pastel colors. So we're using 2 dyes today, and the 2 dyes I am using is Sunset or Sunrise Orange by Adore and Ginger by Kiss. And we're just pretty much doing one section ginger and one section sunrise, and it's going to be from dark to light because I think ginger is a little bit lighter than Sunset Orange. It's like, that's like a golden, I don't even know how to explain that color. It's like a honey blonde. I don't know. Let me stop trying to do that because I don't know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to sit here and let you guys watch this part, and I'm going to come back because this is just easier to explain. And by the way, I didn't section this part off. Like, I'm just putting the dye on there, and you're probably saying, oh my gosh, she's getting on the black hair. It's not going to affect it at all because the hair, that part of the hair is not dyed at all. So don't worry, it's safe. But you do want to go ahead and section off the hair once you get done the ginger, and use some ram wrap or whatever you have to section it off so the sunrise orange will not leak on the unit. Now, I did leave this color in overnight. I tend to do that when I want my colors to be very vibrant, so do keep that in mind. If you want it to dry I'm trickling over my words. I'm just making up a word. I just made up trickle. Wow. But anyway, if you want it to dry a little bit faster, just use a blow dryer and then rinse it out. But you do have to make sure the entire section is dry or the color won't be as vibrant. Also, I just wanted to notate, I know I'm talking too much, but I just want to notate that this wig is on Amazon Prime. If you guys didn't already know, I know it's in the title and I know it's in the logo, but y'all can get this hair in under 2 days. And I love hair that's quick and convenient. I don't want to wait 2 weeks and 4 weeks to get a wig, so that's another plus, y'all. All right, y'all, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so this is what the wig looks like completely dry. I actually let it air dry once I rinsed it out. Washed with tea tree shampoo and also use my Aussie conditioner. So we're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, angle her and put her on the way I want. And y'all, like I said, this wig is definitely giving me auntie's vibe. I really felt like somebody's auntie. Okay, so really, I really love the color and how it came out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the extra lace off so we can go ahead and secure it down. I'm just gonna use my got2b glue hairspray, and I'm gonna, you know, clean off my hairline and go ahead and layer down. And I use my dryer on a cool heating setting. With this part, if you're using scissors, I always said this before, make sure the lines are jagged. Don't just do it so harsh because it will just be boxy and fake looking. But y'all, I'm just overly overwhelmed because this freaking lace made me cry. The pre-pluckedness, I'm making up words again. The pre-pluckedness snatched my soul. Like, I've never been so freaking impressed with the wig from Amazon in my entire life. I can't. I know I've done them in the past, but this one has to be the top of my list. Okay. So yeah, as far as like shedding and tangling, shedding was a minimum. Tangling, I didn't even, you know, experience that at all. So where? So this is what the hair this is what the hair looks like once it's melted into my scalp. So I'm just taking some heating protectant, and I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry her out. I did this because I wanted to straighten the hair, and as you guys can see, it has its natural curl pattern of its own. I was being extra again. This is not even necessary, but I don't know. I guess I was just being extra. But we're just gonna blow dry her out and make sure all the crinkles and curls and stuff is out. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and flat iron her out. Y'all, this honestly reminds me of my high school days because I didn't have a bob, but my hair was just actually this short. And you know, I never knew how to wear my hair because it was so short. You know, now you got all these, you know, tutorials and stuff on how to wear it. And you know, yeah, it just really reminds me of my high school days. On another note, I do feel like short hair on me just ages me. I feel like it definitely put a couple of years on me, so that's why I definitely gave this name of the wig auntie vibes. I really feel it's cute, it's summer ready. But yeah, I think I'm gonna add some, like, I guess you can call it back curls. I don't know, you know, technical names for things, but I'll just let you guys watch. I didn't put the entire clips of everything I did on here because it would have been actually too long, but I can tell you off the bat, I'm trying to become that this wig is definitely TJ approved. By far one of the best units I've had from Amazon, no doubt, sis, no doubt. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. For all my short hair lovers, I know you guys will love this video. Don't forget to check the description section below. If you guys have not, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. You know, let me know your thoughts. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great week. Have a great night, whatever day it is. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.